Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of you don't have permission to access. On the application of Threads, we go to settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above here we search about Threads app as we see and we click. In this page of app info we go to first stop and we click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.